Hi everyone, today we're gonna make bouncing boxes with Canvas and JavaScript. So to start our code, we have to have our HTML first, and if you want to give your HTML a little CSS styling, you can write a background color and give it a color. It's up to you. And then after finishing the HTML, we're gonna start our canvas, which is gonna have its dimensions. As you can see, it's wide and height. You can give it the number, which number you want. It doesn't matter. You're just giving the dimensions to your canvas. Then you can style it. You can give it a background color. Then you can add a background image if you want, but just by putting your image, your URL in here in Canvas ID. And so after that you can start your script, already writing your code. So you have to write the let canvas is equal to get document get element by id canvas. Then after that you're gonna write your let constant context be equal to canvas get context 2d. Then in here constant number point is equal to 20. In this case it's gonna be the number of boxes, rectangles that I'm gonna have in my code. And after that we're gonna write our for statement, which is for I, as I let I be equal to 0, I will be less than the number points, which are 20, and I plus 1. So then we're gonna write our point push. We're gonna give dimensions to our rectangle, which is for x we're gonna write math random times the canvas height that we have in here. As we know, math random is our numbers from 0 to 1, and then the same with y, but in this case we're gonna multiply it by canvas height, and the rectangles of wide and height, we're just taking a math random and multiplying with whichever number we want. Then we're gonna have our x delta and y delta, which are gonna be 1, and you can give your boxes color if you want to, and if you don't, you're gonna get the default color, which we all know is black. Then we're gonna have our const draw function. We're gonna start to draw our rectangle. So context clear rectangle is gonna draw our rectangle, which is 0 0, and canvas height, which we have up there. Then for points, for each function point is gonna have our context fill style, which we're gonna give a style to it. You can understand from the name, in this case color. Then context fill rectangle, we're gonna give dimensions again to our rectangles. Then we're gonna write our two if statements. Then if point x is bigger than canvas wide minus point wide, which we have up there at all those numbers, or point x is less than 0, we're going to return point x delta. And in this case, if point y is bigger than canvas height minus point height, which again dimensions we have up there, or point y is less than 0, we're going to return point delta, point y delta. Then we're going to write the animation for it. For let animate is a function. We're gonna draw our function up which is up here, and we're gonna set a timeout, which is gonna be like 10 milliseconds, and then we're gonna do our animate. So let's open it and see what it is to understand what this code does. So this is what we made with that code. This is your background picture, and those are the boxes which are bouncing from the edges. Thank you for your attention. Bye.